Hey! In this video, we're diving into the world of audit preparation. Buckle up for a journey through the best practices that will make your audits smooth and successful. Let's get started. Step 1. Define audit objectives. Scope out what you'll be auditing, set clear purposes, and outline your goals. Typical activities. Brainstorm with stakeholders, establish the audit's boundaries, and document your objectives clearly and concisely. Step 2. Understand requirements. Now, dive into the details to ensure you're meeting all necessary standards. Typical activities. Research relevant regulations, standards, and policies. Consult with experts to clarify any ambiguities and ensure compliance. Step 3. Review previous audits and findings to identify areas of improvement and build on successes. Simply, learn from the past. Typical activities. Analyze past reports, understand recurring issues, and strategize on how to address them effectively in the current audit. Step 4. Develop an audit plan that maps out your approach, methodology, and dates. It is like laying down the game plan. Remember to prepare an audit agenda too. Typical activities. Outline audit procedures, allocate resources, and create a timeline for smooth execution. Flexibility is key. Step 5. Communicate with the auditee. Connect with the auditee to ensure everyone's on the same page. Typical activities. Discuss the audit scope, purpose, goals, share the agenda to foster collaboration and transparency, agree on the timeline. Step 6. Gather documentation. Let's get our paperwork in order. Gather all necessary documentation to support your audit. Typical activities. If needed, request and collect relevant documents from the auditee. Ensure everything is organized and accessible for the audit team. Step 7. Prepare tools and checklists you'll need for a thorough and systematic audit. Typical activities. Create, update or customize checklists suitable to audit requirements, and ensure all tools are in top-notch condition. And there you have it. Remember, a well-prepared audit sets the stage for success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more best practice content.